They said it couldn't be done. They said the schedule was too stacked.
Who said that?
You're still here?
Yeah, I'm closing.
They said between work, kids, there was no room left.
Well, that's not wrong.
Exactly. Which is why we offer pickup and drop off at no extra charge, and why we plan for same-day service whenever possible.
So you don't have to come back for a second visit? Huh. No overtime.
That's how you win it in one visit. Okay, champion speech aside, this is actually a pretty common situation. A lot of drivers in Berks County put off car maintenance not because they don't care, but because their schedule is already packed. So today we're talking about how auto repair can fit into real life with same-day service and pickup and drop-off options that make things easier. I'm here with Alex to help break it down.
Most drivers don't delay maintenance because they don't care. Most drivers delay because they can't miss work, they don't want to sit in a waiting room, they don't have time for overtime appointments, and they don't want to make multiple trips. So time is the biggest barrier in Berks County. It's not commuting on 422, it's not picking up the kids in Sinking Spring, it's not the school buses that delay us, it's the scheduling the time, not the repair itself. So a lot of repairs can be handled as same-day service, so long as it's scheduled properly. Things like oil changes, brakes, battery replacements, alignments, or when the check engine light is on. When parts are available and approvals are timely, there's no reason for a second appointment. That's the goal here at Lee Miles. Handle what needs handling once. No rematch.
What was that?
Overtime.
We're not in a game.
Exactly. And auto repair shouldn't feel like one either. If we can get it done in one appointment, we will. And if we can pick your car up from work, we will.
So no unnecessary extra appointments?
That's the rule.
So all Lee Miles locations offer pickup and drop-off at no extra cost to you. Here's how it works. You schedule your service. We coordinate pickup from your home or your work. The vehicle comes to our full-service facility. Diagnostics and repairs are completed, and we return the vehicle to where we picked it up when it's ready. It's designed around real schedules, not ideal ones. So our Wyomissing location serves as our service valet office. There's no actual garage at that location. It's a coordination hub. You'll drop off there or we pick it up. And we handle logistics behind the scene to get your car repaired as soon as possible. So if you're a busy professional near our location in Wyomissing, if you're a family juggling multiple schedules, or if you're anyone who just doesn't want to rearrange his day, it simplifies everything. Convenience doesn't mean rushing. It means clear communication, transparent estimates, efficient coordination, and respect for your time. Diagnostics still happen, repairs are still explained. The difference is we build the plans around your schedule, not the other way around.
Auto repair shouldn't feel like overtime, and it shouldn't take over your week. If something needs attention, the real win is handling it once and getting back to your routine. Whether you're in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or in surrounding areas, we'll help coordinate it in a way that makes sense for your life. No pressure, no drama, just smart planning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.